Okay.
Okay, so me and Kaylin, right here, are going to look up at the sky and start spinning and run. Okay, so Jake, go back there. Okay, ready? 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 Count to 30, Jake, and tell us when. Ready?
Go.
Go. Oh, shit. Shoot, I mean.
You guys are super special.
It's what? Is it time yet?
You can run now. Oh geez. How does it feel to have laughed, right?